What is up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be sharing the life hack that made me trade better and smarter. It's called signalpeak.io. So signalpeak.io is a signal provider that gives you access to over 100 crypto and forex signal groups right at your fingertips. So just a quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Let's get straight into the video. Okay everyone, so as you can see, we are on the official website of Signal Peak right now. It's your guide to crypto trading success. I'm going to show you how to sign up and use that 1-day free trial. By the way, the link is in the description if you want to go and check them out for yourselves. Okay, so if we go down here, you can see it's featured in big places like Newsmax, Business Insider, and Digital Journal. And these are the top 6 crypto signal groups at the moment. Today, we will be diving deeper into the master of Binance. We'll be checking them out on Telegram. I'll be showing you some of the trade signals they sent through, and then I'll go onto TradingView so you can see exactly how the trade played out. But as I mentioned before, you get access to over 100 crypto and forex signal groups. If you want to grow your social media and build your personal brand, monetize it, I have the solution for you. So recently, smmgold.io reached out to us, and they are the sponsors of today's video. So smmgold.io will help you grow your social media by providing services on all of the different social media platforms you can imagine, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, literally everything. They provide services where they will help you to grow your social media. So you can buy likes, buy followers, where you can break the algorithm, break free, and grow your personal brand and start to monetize it. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description below. So let's continue with the video. Okay, so you don't just get access to these 6, you get access to more than 100. If you click on this that says show all channels and you scroll down, you will see all of the channels that you will get access to once you join Signal Peak. So they have 3 different plans at the moment. So obviously we're going to be focusing on the 1-day free trial today. And then you also have the 1-month option for 99 USD or the lifetime plan of $350. Guys, if you had to pay for all of these groups individually, it would be way more than 99 a month and definitely more than 350 for lifetime. So all you have to do to use that 1-day free trial is click the start free trial button. Okay, so once you've done that, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. All of the signal groups will be on Telegram, so please download the app if you don't have it already. So you can see Telegram, it will take you to this screen, Signal Peak bot, and 1-day free trial. So all you have to do then is click the button that says start bot. Okay guys, so once you have done that, it will take you to Telegram. As you can see, Signal Peak bot in Telegram, and as you can see, here are all of the groups and the plans. 1-day free trial, 99 for a month, and free 50 for lifetime. So all you have to do is click that 1-day free trial button right here. Okay, so once you have clicked that button, it will take you to a screen that looks like this, where you have the option to join 2 crypto channels and a forex channel. So you can click on this and you can join all of the crypto channels at once. You can also deselect all of the crypto channels and only join the certain ones you want to join. So if you're scared of getting spammed, deselect all of them and only join the certain ones that you are interested in. And as I mentioned, if crypto is not your thing, don't worry, because I have forex channels as well. As you can see, 67 forex channels here as well. But as I mentioned earlier in the video, we'll be checking out a crypto channel called Master of Binance. So after you have joined all of the groups, and I've organized mine in this way, as you can see right here, forex and crypto. So obviously we're going to go here to crypto, and as you can see, Master of Binance is already pinned because I literally use them all the time. They are just that good. I love the way they present the signals, and I'll show you in a minute how they do it, and then I will also show you how the trade played out. So if we go here, we can already see a profit margin of 25%, another profit margin of 37.5%, another profit margin of nearly 40% in only 4 hours and 8 minutes. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be scrolling up to one of the first signals that you can see. So there you go. There is the pair you are going to be trading. It is going to be a short trade. We are aiming for 25x, and then they also give you your entry targets as well as all of the take profit targets. Okay guys, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be going to TradingView and I'm going to show you how the trade played out. Okay guys, so once you are in TradingView, all you have to do is literally type in the pair. Boom, there we go. And we are going to click on that button that says launch chart. Okay guys, so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw a baseline. So I'm going to click on this button and I'm going to draw a baseline from the bottom of this candlestick in line with it from the 6th of November. Boom. So as you can see, the 6th of November is not even over yet by the time I'm making this video, but all I'm going to do is just draw a baseline from midnight of the 6th of November until around midday. So then, because they said it was a short trade, you are going to go down to this icon, boom, click on it and say short position. So our entry price was around 0.00515. So boom, right there. And then we are going to set, I usually set my stop loss on a very low percentage because I do not want to risk a large amount. So that is just a good trading practice to have, is to set your stop loss to what you are willing to lose. Then I'm going to draw this to the targets, and the last target was 0.00476. Okay guys, so as you can see, I drawed it in right now. So obviously I have to give it time for the trade to play out, and I will come back in a couple of hours, come back to the trade, and I will show you exactly what happened. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've already hit our first and second targets right here. So all that's left is for the trade to keep on going down to hit that final target. So as you can see, still going good. So yeah. Okay guys, that is a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about Signal Peak, let us know in the comments down below and we'll get back to you. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on that bell so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time, cheers.